Hello, good morning everyone. I hope everyone's doing well. So today we're gonna do the Toyota Sienna sliding door. We're gonna fix it. It's not sliding automatically. Bear with me. We're gonna do it in like less than 10 minutes. So basically, when you see this cable hanging right here, coming out from here, from that little window back there, and it's hanging on the car like that, that's when you know this door is not gonna work anymore automatically. And to change that, we bought the part already. It's right here. So now what we're gonna do is, first of all, you have to take this panel. The only thing is holding it is this screw right here. I take it off, and then you just take the plastic off. But a very important thing here is this lock. Before you take this plastic off, this lock needs to be locked. So when you take the plastic, it's not gonna touch in here, and you're not gonna break it. This is important. Don't forget about this. Then you just get your trimmer and start pulling everything up until you get it out. Before you start doing this, make sure you give yourself space. So this seat was in here. I just take it off and put it in there so you can get a space where to work. All right, do yourself a favor and do that. Also, don't forget to get the window down, so it's gonna help you work. Don't forget this. This is another important thing. If you don't get it down, you cannot reach this molding later from outside. So yeah, this is what I'm talking about. You gotta get the window down so you can reach this later. So you take this molding. So yeah, I started it from here, and you can start from anywhere to take this panel off. So after that, after you take this panel off, just like you can see right here, it's all taken off. Then you have to do this. The only thing that holding it is this connector here that for the window. Just take it off too, and then you're gonna be free with your panel. So this is how the door looks like after you take the panel. And the thing we're changing is this. This is the part we're changing. This. See these cables here? They go through here and everything. So this is what we're changing. Now we gotta take this plastic off and this, because it comes together. And then you change this one, and you're gonna put everything back, and hopefully everything will work. Now you take this plastic off, and it'll pull that, because they're together. You pull it up. Just pull it. So this is very important to know. The black wire or cable goes to this side where you can see this kind of metal right here. So this black one goes here. This is the spot for the black one. And then the gray one goes underneath, goes on this side. You see this black side here? The gray one goes there like that. All right, I'll show you after I've put them in there. The first thing you do is place the black one, and then you can put this wheel in there, or place both of them and put them there. But after you fix this up there, so it's gonna be easy for you. So yeah, this is the new part. We're gonna put it in place, and you have to look how I'm gonna do it, because it's not a trick, but it's this is how it goes. So I'm hanging it in my hand, as you can see. This part There's nothing in here. This is like a bag, and there's two cables in there. There's goes in to the back. But this is the black thing that we took off. This is the old one right there. Just the same. So this, what you're gonna do is bring it in here. See that hole right there? This hole. You put that part from in there like that inside the hole and get it this way. It's very easy. Just pull and push from the other side. Now I get it in. As you can see in here. Now it's in here. Those two dots, there's two holes, they go there. Okay, and then this one it's in there, the spot right there. Then you put your bolts and that's it. And then we're gonna talk about the cables later. Look, now I put this in place. I'm just gonna put the bolts in there. Another thing here that I'm gonna show you. Remember, the blue gonna be like facing you. If you're facing it like that, the blue has to be on your right side, and the yellow has to be on your left side. Because the blue one has the black cable that goes to the behind the wheel that I showed you before, and the gray one is on the other side, and it goes here. Okay, I never seen somebody recommended this joint, but you need it so much because you cannot work without this. You have to have this because it's not, or you gotta buy the rod that flexible, so you can get in here. It goes with the angle like that. There is an angle, and that's how we do it. All right. I just put this plastic now in there. What I'm gonna do is put it in place like that and put my screws 1, 2, and 3, and that's it.